This movie is produced by Aida Chemical Industries, who is the manufacturer of art clay product. This is the series of tutorial, comprising 15 movies, introducing different technique of art clay. We hope you learn how to make a silver jewelry work with art clay product from this movie.
Prepare a half-round ring made with art clay silver which has already been dried and sanded smoothly. Draw a draft of carving pattern with a pencil. File the pattern using the edge of a medium fine file. After carving the ditch lines, file between the lines using flat part of the file as making small leaves. Do not file too deep as you may lose design and break it from the lines. Be careful when you file. Smooth entire surface with a sponge sanding pad, red number 320 number 600 grit. Use a corner of the sanding pad for smoothing the ditch lines, and fire it.
Art clay products are available through authorized distributors, located around the world. We have strong distribution network, and community to support your creation with art clay. They are not only selling art clay, but also giving people a chance to learn art clay technique. Art clay is an educational material. You are not only make a beautiful silver jewelry work with art clay silver, but also learn and skill up your technique. Enrich your life from learning. If you are interested in art clay product, please contact them. If you don't find the country where you live in the list, find the closest distributor or contact us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.